Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Lannes-aux-Boeufs is a charming coastal village in the Gaspé Peninsula. This small fishing community is part of the town of Percé and offers breathtaking views of the Gulf of St. Lawrence. One of the highlights here is La Vieille Scene, a cultural gem hosting art exhibits, concerts, and a cafe, a perfect spot to experience local talent and relax. The village's marina is bustling, welcoming fishermen and visitors alike. In summer, you'll see colorful fishing boats and people enjoying the seaside vibe. If you're into nature, the surrounding area is ideal for hiking, birdwatching, or just soaking up the coastal beauty. The community's warmth makes every visit special, blending history, culture, and stunning scenery. Thank you for joining us in discovering the beauty of Lannes-aux-Boeufs, Quebec.
Thanks for watching!